Hello and welcome to another Kasi Loose video, and today we have the I believe the highlights from 2021 Hot Wheels Mainline Case L. Yes it is. Look at that. Yep. So we're going to start off with, here you go, the 67 Ford GT40 Mark IV in yellow, a recolor. This casting, I love it. Love it. Yup. Kasi Loose. There you go. Focus a bit. Yup. 67 Ford GT40 Mark IV in yellow. That. Look at the headlights there. Beautiful. Smoky tinted windows. Yup. That is cool. That is awesome. There you go. Look at that. And putting it side by side with the counterpart. There you go. Ford GT40 Mark IV. Yes it is. Yellow. Moving on, we have the 68 Mercury Cougar. So this casting is the Super Treasure Hunt. Not this casting. This is going to be the Super Treasure Hunt for Case L. Obviously this is the normal one under the HW Flames. Kasi Loose. There you go. Look at that Mercury Cougar. Nice flames, nice green. The Super is going to be awesome also with this kind of green, Spectral Flame green. Yep. Mercury Cougar. Nice. Let's give it a spin. That is beautiful. Yep. That's the Mercury Cougar. And also new to the Case L is the Dodge Charger Drifter. I don't know why, but I really dig this deco there. Yes it is. Wow. Yep. Kasi Loose. Fire department, Dodge, and that's a small, not sure what's the symbol there, which is interesting. Look at that. And obviously nothing on the headlight, but you can see the details, the grills and the tail lights. That is awesome. Yep. For those who call it the Dodge Charger Drift. There you go. Red base, red interior. Interesting. Yes it is. Yep. Next we're going for this one, the standard cart, Mario Kart. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, you've seen the Mario theme, right, of this cart. Now we have the mainline one, obviously without the figures there. Yep. Kasi Loose. Look at that. So this wheel is basically made for the Mario Kart. Interesting. That is cute. That is cute. Yep, for those who collect Mario Karts, this is it. Nice, simple. That is simple looking. TRX 17 standard card. Nice. Let's give it a spin. I do believe there's quite a fan of this standard card. Yep. Nice. Awesome. So next we're going for the Porsche Taycan Turbo S Taycan. So also there's a ID version in case L. Obviously I didn't get it for this car, the ID version. Hope you guys can find it in the wild. Yep, Porsche Taycan Turbo S Cassius. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful, sort of like a maroon or red tone there. That kind of weird headlights. Is it because it's a not really good tempered? I'm not so sure, but there you go. Nice wheels, nice tail lights. Actually, yes, it is. Focus a bit. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Porsche. What does it say in the below? Turbo S. Beautiful. Look at that. Anything interesting in the interior? Nothing that I can see actually. Nice. Bit of spin. For those who like the Porsche Taycan Turbo S, there you go. A good shade of red there. Very nice. Very awesome. Yep. Next one. It's the Disney Steamboat. Yes, it is. The black and white Mickey Mouse themed HW screen time. There you go. That is beautiful. Yep. Bring all the nostalgia back. Kasih loose. In case you're wondering, at the back there, see that? Yep. And here's the boat. Look at that. That is it. No Mickey figures inside. Yep. And here's the wheel. Look at that. That is interesting. Let's give it a test drive. Focus a bit. It's white, so it's not really that. Yeah. That is cool. Cool as heck. Yes, it is. Nice black and white Disney Steamboat. Yep. Simple. So below is the plastic, top is the die cast, everything else is plastic, the interior. Yep. Let's give it a spin. Let's give it a spin. Yes, it is. Look at that. Oh wow. Wow. Nice. And here we come with a tree, the last tree, new casting of L case. Yes, it is. First off, the Toyota Land Cruiser, simply named Toyota Land Cruiser. Look at that. That is cool. Kasih loose. There you go. Simple. Look at the headlights there. Toyota. Clear windows. You can see the front there. There, that is cool. Toyota. Nothing on the bed. That is nice. Yes, it is. GRY 93. Yep. Toyota Land Cruiser with headlights and taillights. Nice shade of blue. Awesome. Toyota. Next, we're going for the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL IWC Racing. Yeah, nice. We've got the Team Transport version of the IWC. We're going to compare it together with this one. Yup, kasih loose. There you go. IWC Racing 68, IWC Schaffhausen, Benz 300 SL. Nice. Nothing on the headlights, of course, and the grille. Grille is part of the base, I believe, same as the premium one. I think we'll compare it. That is slick looking. That is slick. Yep. There you go. Look at that. And compare it with the premium. The premium. There you go. A little bit different on the deco there. It's not really same, but still using the same 68. Yep. Have the cool cut there for the premium. Nothing on the main line. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yes, it is. Loving it. Loving it. Loving it. Of course. And the last one, which is going to be this one here. Liberty Walk LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2. What a mouthful. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Kasih loose. And here it is, Liberty Walk and Hot Wheels. Look at that. We've got a plastic insert headlights there, and they managed to get a temp put in the front. Okay, that is interesting. Blue on the side, nothing on the top there. Headlights, look at that. Nice. Nothing much can be said on the interior. Wow. Oh, wow, wow, wow. That GRX 83. That's awesome. Blackout wheels. Wow, That is cool. Yes, it is. That is awesome. Nice. Nice. And it got the side mirrors also. Cool as heck. So there you go. The highlights from the L case. What do you guys think? Yummy or not yummy? Yup. So if you subscribe, the notification bell button. Share if you want. Yes, it is. And to help further of these channels to grow, thumbs up and comment down below. Yup. Talk to you guys later. See you soon. Bye.